You know what, let's get this thing started off right. Family, what's up? Rebel Gang, what's good? It's your boy Matt the Rebel, back with another video for you today. Family, listen, man, I know I've been gone for the last few days, guys. Had a lot going on this past weekend, man, with it being 4th of July in Fayetteville shopping, man. Just out and about, just doing a whole bunch of stuff. So, guys, please forgive me. Got a ton of reviews coming for you this week, man, on some shoes that have already come out, and some shoes that are coming out this week, and some shoes that I actually have in hand today. So, welcome to all the new subscribers to the family, man. Welcome to all our new family members, guys. Welcome to Rebel Gang, the most lit family on all of YouTube, and you heard it right here from your boy, man. Also, if you haven't done so already and you're watching this video, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell so you're notified every time a video drops, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up. That way you like this video, man, so we can keep it going to many others out there in the YouTube realm. So, family, what are we even talking about, man? You guys saw the thumbnail. I'm not even gonna waste any time, guys. Let's go ahead and get into a discussion of the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 Mnvn in its Blue Tint Colorway. Let's go. Look, now that we're back, guys, you already know the vibes, man. We are talking about the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 Mnvn in its Blue Tint Colorway. I gotta be honest, man, I like this shoe, but something about it just says it's not for me. You know, one thing that was a dead giveaway was, one, I wasn't able to get a size 13. I normally wear a size 12 in literally any other shoe, guys, but I cannot fit my foot inside of here. I really can't. It's way too tight, and I should have known better. I got the Yeezy 450s in a size 13. I got the Yeezy slides in a size 13. I should have known better, guys. So, in my personal opinion, Rebel Gang, if you're out there, if you're able to get your true size in these and you can wear your true size, then okay. But for me, I have a bigger, wider foot. I should have gone a size up and got a size 13. So I'm not even gonna be able to give you guys an on foot or anything, but I will say, please go a size up, okay? Next, guys, I love the materials of this shoe. All right, so I've seen a lot of people talk about how they don't like this sneaker for various reasons. I've seen so many people talk about they don't like how it looks, or they don't like the style of it, or whatever. Me personally, being a sneakerhead and actually owning a few pairs of Yeezys, I don't really see this 700 as a Yeezy that's for flash and style. I see this more as a Yeezy that's for functionality, actually. Now, you do have that exposed boost technology on the bottom of the shoe, like we're used to seeing with all boost technology sneakers, man, but the material on the upper, to me, is what does it. Now, you guys can see that blue tint right there when the sun hits it. A lot of people say they don't see any blue in this shoe. Now, guys, you're not going to see a bunch of blue in the shoe if it's not hitting the sunlight, because the tint has to reflect. It has to reflect off the shoe, and that's why you're able to see small hints of blue right now on my camera, okay? So the light is reflecting off, and that reflection is actually giving you that small blue tint, all right? Now, it looks gray and black without the light, but trust me, guys, it's definitely blue tinted, if that makes any sense. Now, for the price tag of $220 USD retail, personally, I would have liked to have seen this shoe more so at 200 versus 220. With tax and everything included up here in DC, it comes out to around 240 or something like that, maybe a little higher. But guys, I'm gonna be honest, it's a good shoe for what it is. Now, the material on the upper is that same material that you would get on a rain jacket. It has like that waterproof type of vibe to it, which gives me the impression that this sneaker is built for functionality. It's not built to be like, oh, let me rock it with an outfit and let me style it up. Now, you're pretty sure there are some people out there who can do that. I'm pretty sure there's some people who have done reviews on this shoe already who have done that. But when I'm looking at it, guys, based on this nylon type of material right here on the upper, based on the tongue being like a really thick, almost like leather padded type of material, guys, and with, looks like, I'm not gonna call it fly knit. I'm sure Adidas may have a different name for it, but with that like elastic type of constraints inside of the upper. I'm not sure if you guys can even see that in there, but you can actually see bands that are going inside of the shoe to keep it restricted on your foot, as well as the midsole and the mud guard, man. It's a really sturdy and heavy type of material, so it's not like real spongy like you would expect on, like, you know, any other type of Yeezy or some Yeezys, but it does give you a really dope comfort factor, man, that I personally feel like you're gonna wear this outdoors, man. You're gonna wear this in the rain. rain. You're gonna wear this in an area where you're doing some hiking, some outbacking, this is what this shoe is made for, in my opinion. Now guys, of course, in the comment section, leave your thoughts and opinions on this sneaker and what you think it's for. If you've gotten your hands on it, let me know your thoughts. But I love the sturdiness of the sneaker, guys. I actually am okay with the look. I should have gotten a size 13. I think that may be my only gripe about this shoe. Like I said, it's not for the flashiness. It's not like a 700 V1 that looks like it's built for the streets, that's built for urban wear, that's built to complement a more streetwear savvy type of style. This is actually built, to me, this is built for someone who's gonna throw on some hiking shorts and they're gonna go hike and rock climb and do all those types of things, man. So that's what this shoe is for, guys. All right, now you do get, of course, I'm gonna call this like the infinity lace lock right here because there is no tying. Then you have Adidas and Yeezy branding. Actually, that might be the thumbnail. Adidas and Yeezy branding right there on the inner sole of the shoe as well, guys. And of course, you do have the tongue right here that gives you that information. This is a US size 12. Was going to be a personal pair, man, but like I said, guys, I can't even get my foot inside of it. And personally, I don't want to cut the laces. Like, I want to wear these like this. I don't want to cut the laces off. So this pair won't be staying in my collection, even though I wish it would. I do love the tint of blue that's on the toe box right there, man. It is just a really clean look. I will say that. I really do like this shoe. I just wish I would have got a size 13, man. Like, I really do, so I can actually wear it, because this shoe is tight, boy. And like, you can just look and tell, but you know, it is what it is, guys. I can already just tell. You know, I tried getting my foot in, it was not fitting. It just wasn't working. All right, now on the left shoe, you do have the tags that are right here, like so, 700 Mnvn. Now this shoe has already dropped, guys. It did come out on today, which is Monday, July 5th. But you know, maybe you're still considering getting this shoe, guys, because as we all know, with Mnvns, the resale value tends to stay pretty low until the shoe is just not coming back out anymore, and then it'll start to creep up a little bit. But if you're in the market for the Blue Tint Yeezy 700 Mnvns, man, I say go for it, guys. If you like the shoe, if you're looking for that functionality factor, then definitely go for it. But if you're just looking for a more like stylish type of shoe, I think that the Carolina blue color of the Mnvns is, I think that's a lot better. I did get my hands on those, but I actually canceled the order because the company was just taking I waited 2 weeks for them to basically ship my shoe, and I just said, hey guys, look, just cancel and give me my money back. So it is what it is, man. But all in all, guys, this is a dope shoe. Of course, you got Adidas branding all over the place, man. 700 written right there on the side in gray lettering, or more like a metallic silver, if I'm being honest about that. This is the pair right here. That might be a nice thumbnail. So this is the pair right here, Rebel Gang. So, I mean, that's mainly the review, man. If you're looking to get this shoe, I say go for it, guys. I know, I'm not sure if they're still, I'm pretty sure they're sold out, but there were a lot of places that had this shoe sitting for hours, because a lot of people, the hype isn't there for it, you know? A lot of people didn't want it. Me personally, I wanted them, but should have got size 13, but it wasn't available to me. So anyways, guys, Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 Mnvn, made by Adidas, man. The box is just your traditional 700 here, Boost right there, made by Adidas on that side. And then of course you have the side that has the tag on it. The tag does read 700 Mnvn, GZ0711, Blue Tint, Blue Tint, Blue Tint. All right, US size 12. I recommend going a size up, Rebel Gang. So family, with that being said, it's your boy Matt the Rebel, man. It's the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 Mnvn in the Blue Tint colorway, guys. In the comment section below, Rebel Gang, let me know your thoughts, let me know your opinions, let me know if you like this shoe, if you got this shoe, if you got it on the confirmed app draw, whatever they call that this morning, and let me know your thoughts and opinions, guys. So with that being said, Rebel Gang, until the next time, family, it's your boy CJ Rebel, aka Matt the Rebel. I'm checking out, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.